fresh air. I find this a rarity now. Everyone's always stuck inside on social media. So annoying. Anyways, do you want a cigarette? Oh, no. I usually don't smoke. I'm just a social smoker. Okay. Suit yourself. I am gonna get one. You know what? You do have a good point. Maybe I am addicted to these cigarettes. It's just, they calm me down so much. Ah, yes. You see, I was separated from my friends earlier. We were at this nightclub. I think it's called like the Golden Flamingo or something. And it was too loud inside for me, so I came out, and the bodyguards wouldn't let me in. So now I'm stuck wandering around. All I can do is smoke. Oh, you came here with friends too? What a coincidence. Maybe we can go find them for each other. Yeah, well, what's the point of being alone on such a lovely night? Okay. My friends, and when they get drunk, if they're drunk about now, they are going to be tripping over one each other all the time. Yep. So you gotta just look for people who can barely walk. And they're not supposed to. They're supposed to walk normally, and they're falling left and right. Yeah, why not? Let's see. Where exactly did I put my cigarette now? Let's see. In my pockets, I have a lighter, some cigarettes, gum. You weren't supposed to see that. And keys, and a smartphone, and no, you weren't supposed to see that either. Well, yeah, you never know when I need these magnum-sized pieces of plastic. Yeah. Where's my wallet? They're supposed to be in there, but I don't know why they slipped out. No, trust me. I really have no idea. You would think someone maybe grabbed it out of my pocket. I mean, there definitely is a lot of grabbing going on in there. Yes, so. Okay, it seems like my friend has my wallet. Okay, phew. And that calms me down a lot better. Yeah, I don't know who has my wallet. Maybe they're stealing my money. I mean, if I had my wallet, I would have bought a round for everybody, so I guess it's better in my friend's hands. No. Well, maybe we can get you a drink, but anyways. Okay. I think it's time you know the truth. I purposely gave my wallet to my friend so that I wouldn't recklessly spend my money. And in that way, I'm a very financially stable guy, right? Have you ever been addicted to anything? Have you ever splurged a little bit too much? Because the soft spot for me is cute women like you. What I'm trying to say is, I'm a very good candidate to apply for the boyfriend position. Okay, let me just think out loud for a second. Alright, what if we went back into the club, okay? And we we find my friends and get my wallet and go get you a nice little drink. Anything you want. I won't judge. And then afterwards, maybe after some dancing or some little snacks at the bar, we can go to the back of the club and get to know each other more. I have a booth. We can draw the curtains just in case it gets too intimate. Okay? What do you think? Okay, great. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this time. Oh, yes. And yeah, this is the VIP entrance. It's exclusively only for VIP members and card holders. And just let the bouncer know what drink you want. Anything at all. Did you get your drink order in? Great. Now follow me around the corner. This club is a really big pit, and my booth looks over the whole thing. So naturally, you get to experience all the action without having to actually be in it. And if, in case you can't hear me, or you want a more quiet time, we can just close the blinds, lower the curtains, set the mood. See, they even have candles and everything for us. Alright, now that we're settled in, are you comfortable? You know, I saw you eyeing me earlier, and I saw this kind of fire and this kind of lust that was burning in your eyes. And you were staring directly at me. And I tried moving around, but you kept following me. So now that we're here, why don't we get straight to it? No more beating around the bush. I don't even need to know your name. Just sit down, relax, and let me do the rest of the talking. I know I'm a very big guy. You know what they say about people with deep voices and big feet and big hands, right? If it's big in many places, chances are we're even bigger where it matters the most. Oh yeah. Did you know that your lips are so damn soft? I just really love the feel of them. And they're so plump and squishy and soft and squishy and soft. I just really wish I could have found you earlier. And then we could have had more time together. Wouldn't that be nice, darling? Baby, I love you so much. I'm going to be yours forever. And I'll be yours until the stars all fall from the sky. I'll be yours until the rivers are all dry. And the whole earth because of global warming. And I'll be yours until math doesn't work anymore. And I'll be yours until the sun rises in the north and sets in the south. Just know I'm going to be yours for a very, very long time, and we will keep having romantic, sensual moments like the ones now. Oh, baby, I really appreciated that time together with you. However, this isn't a live stream. It is a video. The video does have to have an ending, right? go ahead, like and subscribe. I would really be grateful if you did that. And I'll continue to make audios in return. And, yeah. I love you. 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 I swear.